All of the pieces are starting to line up for XRP. It's all starting to fall in place. We are now starting to see some pretty significant on-chain data coming out. There's a lot of good stuff coming, and I'm going to show you what's happening with the chart, and we're going to take a look because it is all starting to fall into place for a significant rally, most likely even 20+% possible by the end of the year, a Christmas rally, if you will. With that said, subscribe, hit that link button, as well as hit that like button below. Okay, so here's what I have for you. XRP price bull flag hints at 20% rally by New Year's. And if we take a look at, let me move this right here, move that right there. If we take a look at what's going on with the XRP chart, you can really kind of see it. Okay, so we had this run up right here that was from this last indicator fire to that. That was a 42% move. And then we started this kind of move down here where, let's see, that move down right there so far was about an 18% move down. So we ran up 42+%, moved back down 18%. And now we've got this sideways consolidation pattern starting to play out here. Okay, so it's consolidating is good. We want to see this. It's going to be interesting to see how this continues to play out. By the way, if you're interested, this is my software telling you when to buy and sell. Buy, sell, buy. Okay, so if you're interested in that, you can use it for any and all crypto. Links in the description below. 30-day, no questions asked, money back guarantee. Look at this one right here. This is Solana, and I want to show you all the way up to that. That's 166%. If you put 1,000 in, you would have made $1,666. So that's pretty cool right there. Links in the description below. It's a discount code down there as well. Okay, so continuing back to kind of what we're talking about. So we may see a short sell-off period before confirming the upside continuation setup, as well as demonstrate bullishness. The whales themselves, these are wallets that hold more than that buy like $100,000 worth at a time. In the last 6-7 days, have bought 6.8 million, almost $7 million worth of XRP. So that's something to be noted. Okay, so kind of now moving into kind of the technical components. So we've got, again, this bullish continuation setup, right? We've got that really playing out right here. This kind of bullish continuation is called a bull flag right there. Okay, so the so-called right here in the yellow bull flag pattern develops when the price consolidates inside a parallel channel after a strong uptrend, right? Well, remember, strong uptrend, consolidation in a parallel channel. Okay, where was my article? There we go. Okay. So it resolves after the price breaks above the upper trend line with convincing volumes and rises by as much as the previous uptrend's height. Okay. As of November 26, XRP was trading above its bull flag's upper trend line in the blue right here, albeit accompanying weaker volumes. So that's interesting, weaker volumes. It says to me that people are not quite bought in yet. Okay. Which really, it doesn't really surprise me. That really doesn't surprise me for a really simple reason. I still think we have uncertainty out there. Is the Bitcoin ETFs going to be approved by January 10th? What's the Federal Reserve FOMC upcoming December meeting going to look like? Are we going to get weaker kind of inflation data, or is it going to come out that it's hot? There's still some outlying questions out there that I think people are still kind of, frankly considering. Okay. So kind of moving on into the red here, XRP may basically climb to 75 cents if we continue, or if we kind of get this bullish momentum kind of moving that I've just been mentioning. That's a 20% movement up from where we're at right now. And by the way, right now crypto is down 1.3, and you can see XRP is down 1% basically on the 24-hour, but up half a point on the 1 hour. There's your 1 day. Okay. Again, but up 13+% on the month, et cetera. But we're trading at that 61 cents. So that hit that 75 cents. That's a 20+% move up, which is all likelihood. If we can get some momentum coming back into all of crypto, i.e. some retail dollars come back in, et cetera, then I think we will see that move up. And we take a little bit of this uncertainty off of the table, if you will, for those things I mentioned earlier. Okay. But again, on-chain data shows XRP accumulation. The whales have been buying. I mentioned this at the top of the video right there, highlighted. They bought almost 7 million plus of XRP. So the whales are buying. Now what we need is we need some retail money to start coming back in. We need that retail money to start flowing back into XRP, and then we can see how this all plays out. And then I think that will start to push us back up. So take a little bit of the uncertainty off of the off of the table, if you will, i.e., maybe some clarification, insight into Bitcoin ETFs. Are they really going to be approved in January by January 10, which is the number? What's the Federal Reserve going to do about their December meeting? And if we get some insight into kind of the inflation data, if those continue to look weak, those are things that we can take off of the table from an kind of a risk scenario. And if that'll turn the overall momentum positive. But at the end of the day, we need those factors to kind of play out to bring what retail money back in. So the whales, the smart money, if you will, the institutional money are starting to show that they're buying, but we need a large chunk of retail money to start coming in. All right, that's all I got for you. As always, thanks for your support. And by the way, remember, links in the description below. Go check out my trading indicator. It's basically like $30 for a month. It's basically like $1 a day after that discount code down there. And you have 30 days, no questions asked, money back, refund guarantee. So you get to try it. If you don't like it, you can give it back, if you will. And final thought around that, on my thank you page, there's literally videos that walk you through everything you need to do to set that up and start using it in less than 10 minutes. I'll see you.